Okay, I'm tired. Today's just one of those days. So I just got off the phone with On Road. It's gonna be 4 hours or longer before someone can get out here and get me pulled out. Pulled out of what? I'm so glad you asked. Let's take a look. This is gonna be fun. Alright. Landing gear's in the snow. Back wheels are in the snow. And the snow's at the bottom of my step. Alright. So, I'm wedged in here pretty darn good. You can just see how deep it is. I mean, look at that. There's my foot in that snow. So, I did not know it was this deep until I started to track in here. And by then it was already way too late. Yeah, you can see how I swung in here. So, yeah, I'll say I'm stuck, guys. So, it's still snowing. I'm gonna go back inside the truck. It's kind of cold outside. See y'all later. Oh, thanks for watching. Please subscribe before I get too cold. Later. Yeah, bye.